कुछ दर्द ऐसे भी मिले जिंदगी में जिन्होंने जान भी ले ली और जिंदा भी छोड़ दिया।
The worst thing that you could do to yourself is not become the person that you could be in this lifetime.
और हर कोई फंसा हुआ है वक्त की जंजीरों में, हर कोई हंसता है फकत तस्वीरों में।
Jim, you have actually changed my life. When I was in a place of darkness, you showed me the way to light. Because of you, I found brotherhood and a sense of purpose. We don't go to the gym to lift weights. We go because the weights lift us. Dear Jim, you have...
रात भर करे आँखें मेरी, ये मेरी, आए जो तेरी यादें, रुक रुक चले सांसें मेरी, ये मेरी।
Everyone must choose one of two pains. The pain of discipline or the pain of regret.
Hear me, I promise you this. In 6 months, I will make you fucking proud.
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ, मुझे नहीं जरूरत दो पल के सहारों की।
And I had been waiting such a long time for this, to come up against someone who could have killed me.
Let me fight one more time.
Wake your ass up because it's time to go beast mode.
No pain, no gain. You don't get after it. Be harder, better, stronger. Move a whole lot faster with urgency. Can't be average with the skills, gotta master it. I must be cut from a different club, never see my fabric. Yesterday was leg day, about to hit chest. Crush your waist to the treadmill, tell me what's next. Booty get off it, just a process, be the best. Less stressful.
Who the fuck are you calling delusional? Every day I wake up, I'm working on what you're dreaming about, bitch.
जिंदगी में ना हमेशा दो लोगों को परेशान देखा। कौन? एक वफादार, दूसरा मुखलिस। बाकी मुनाफिक तो हर जगह फिट हो जाए।
He's a pretty good guy, but stresses over everything. Doesn't sleep all that much, but will go out of his way to help anyone. If you ask him how he is, his answer will always be, I'm all right. Think about this. Why do we close our eyes when we pray, cry, kiss, or dream? Because the most beautiful things in life are not seen but felt by the heart.
पहचान ही तो बनानी है ना सब, और शहर में करना ही क्या है?
चाहे वो रास्ता गलत ही क्यों हो।
रास्ते की परवाह करूंगा तो मंजिल बुरा बन जाएगी।
One more time before I go, higher powers taking hold on me.